Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Calculus problems involving volumes of revolution are actually quite simple if you follow these 3 quick steps to identify the bounds and set up the integral. First, find where the curves meet by setting 3x equal to x squared. Solving this gives x equals 0 and x equals 3, which define our interval of integration. Boom! Since we revolve around the x-axis, use the washer method. The volume is pi times the integral of the outer radius squared minus the inner radius squared. You got this! Comparing our result to the given choices, we see that option C matches our derived integral perfectly. Always square the radii individually before subtracting to get the correct final answer. Got it! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid squaring the sum and always remember to use the washer rule and square each radius.